Hey guys, welcome to 443 here, and today this is another mess up. No, I don't want to quit. This is another. Yes, I just did another mess up because mine fell down, and I meant to keep it recording, but I accidentally ended it. So this is it's still the first lap, so you guys didn't miss that much. Well, you're not gonna miss any of this that I record. That happens in Sheep Lagoon too. If you guys haven't seen that. Here we go. I did not practice. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, that was cool. I was going, look at land. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. I'll do 1 cup every day, so it's gonna take me like 32 days to be toasting like a month or so. So that's gonna suck so much. And it's June 3rd, I believe. Yep, June 3rd today. Gonna be uploading these videos pretty quickly because they're not gonna be that long. Dang it! You guys, I gotta get more popular by getting a camera, something like that. I record with my e-pig. Saw that right now. Blue shot. Boom! Mario. No, I don't want to do that again. Dang it, I missed it. There, good. Good fun around. Like I did last time. Damn. I like comments right there. If you guys want me to record longer videos, make sure to subscribe and put stuff in the comments. I want to get more. I want to at least get 201 subscribers a day, so I can catch up to everybody else. My brother, subscriber 76 has 100, so I want to get that much. I want to catch up and beat him. I want to get to 1,000 too. So I hope you guys subscribe. If you guys do it, I'll subscribe to whoever subscribed to me. Whoever unsubscribed to me is so stupid. If you subscribe back to me, or is that somebody else, that would be the same. So for me, if you guys watch this, you guys better do that. I mean better. I'm okay. This is it. This is the last time I'm saying this. Only if you guys watch this. If I don't get comments, like, no, that crap. Comments, like, subscribing, I won't record much. I record like 1 video, 2, 5, 4 videos a week. So, suck. Okay, so here we go. You gotta hold it now. And if you guys want me to, whoops. There, guys. So you guys, you can see my reflection. So who's the kid? What do we get? 3 stars, congrats. Let's see what we got down here. Okay, we did. See you guys next time. Bye bye.